There has been a partnership between the judiciary and establishment for the past 76 years. That culture continues. That is what
I would know. At least there's no culture here. So let's not condemn everybody if we condemn everybody, we condemn nobody. I absolutely do not subscribe to that theory. If there was any interference in my work, and if I could not withstand the pressure,
yes,
I would go home.
Yes.
Sorry, please. I will not accept this statement. I've been a judge, Baluchistan Chief Justice, for 5 years and 1 month. Please find out from the people of Baluchistan how much interference there was and whether it was accepted. Since I've been a judge here, I have fought for the independence of the judiciary from within. And the greatest threat of the independence of the judiciary was from the Supreme Court, not from outside. In my opinion, I've lived through it, I've experienced it. So these are not empty words. Please do not include me in the 76 years of Pakistan's history. And there are many such persons who should not be included. Let's condemn those who require condemnation. Let's not condemn all and thereby save all. If there has been wrongdoing, point it out. This is wrong, this is correct.
My Lord is absolutely right. I haven't condemned all. There have been exceptions. I've also served in 2018, and no one could influence my court. For 4 years as Chief Justice, nobody could dare influence a single judge, not just me. And the judgments of Islamabad High Court speak for themselves.
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ
हाई कोर्ट का चिंता बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलें. We are detracting a bit. Sorry.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ, एजी साहब सुने जरा, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारा कल्चर ऐसा है कि लोग कोशिश करते हैं इंटरफेरेंस की, कहाँ कामयाब होते हैं कहाँ नहीं होते, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द जज.
उसी के लिए कह रहे हैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल अब एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है उसको.
ये बात तो अभी I probably speak for everybody on the bench that nobody ever received any interference. मेरे आज तक के काम में I never received any. There has been no interference in the work that I've done so far. But this is telling us that there is something happening somewhere. So it doesn't mean that it's happened to me personally, but it's happening to the system, in that system that we want to fix.
My opinion is that those who cannot withstand the pressure, they should not sit on these chairs. इतना आप में character हो कि आप face करें.
With great respect, the pressure is always there. The culture of this institution is there. It is for courageous judges to stand up and not be bothered.
And not make complaints.
And it's not just, you see, again I will emphasize, the problem is the state and the state organs. When they become aggressive against the judges,